What's up guys, welcome to my 2018 Chevy Silverado truck build. Alright, now this channel primarily focuses on the truck sitting here right behind me. As I said, it's a 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT trim truck, 5.3 liter, 6-speed trans, 4-wheel drive, double cab, standard bed. Now, we're going to go over a couple of things that have been done to this thing so far, and if you're a new viewer to the channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to what we have still to come for this truck. Alright, I'm going to start listing some mods. These are in no particular order whatsoever. It's just I'm going to call it how I see it when I see it. If you are curious about the install or anything of any of these mods done to this truck, there is a video on my channel. I make a video separately for every single thing I do for this thing. So if you're curious or have any questions or even want to see a review, I do a lot of reviews on this channel also. So real quick, some obvious things. We got this thing tinted, and that is one of the first things we did. We did a 20% tint on the front windows to match the factory rear, and we did a 5% brow, which is kind of hard to see right now. 5% brow, and then somewhat recently we ended up wrapping the B pillars black to make it look like one big consecutive window, which I think looks pretty cool. While we're on this topic up here, this truck did not come with tow mirrors. It was white sport mirrors, and we actually bought a set of eBay towing mirrors and installed them on the truck and wired them in with a Boost Auto Parts wiring kits. And then most recently, Boost just sent us a really nice set of smoked switchback LED turn signal lights, lenses, whatever you want to call them, for this truck, and I think they turned out really good. Up here we do have a Ronin factory 50 caliber bullet antenna. It looks really cool, but the quality is not there. I don't really get much FM radio at all anymore. Moving on to the front real quick, we have the bow ties wrapped black currently. The vinyl doesn't stick too well, so we actually do have a solution for this coming up in an upcoming video. We removed the lower portion of the front valence on the truck, making it look a little bit bigger. And some of the more noticeable things are the wheels, tires, and the lift setup, if you want to call it a lift. Up front we have a 2.5-inch MotoFab leveling kit. We are also on MotoFab upper control arms. So we do have some aftermarket upper control arms. And then in the rear we have a 2-inch lift block kit, also from MotoFab, tucked in there. And then wheel wise, these are 20 by 12 Black Rhino Glamis wheels with a -44 offset, Toro Trailblade XT tires, 33/1250s, and we just got some spiked lug nuts from Custom Offsets. The wheel and tire setup does rub. You can kind of see, can you? This is not full lock, but every once in a while it will rub off on this bolt here and on this black corner piece. It had the 4-wheel drive decals along the bedside. We pulled those things off. Currently we just got a tonneau cover on the bed, nothing crazy on the windows or windshields. And most recently we did throw on a 3-inch MotoFab Installer Series catback exhaust. If you come to the back, nothing crazy. You can see our vinyl did fall off that bow tie. But a couple other things we've been doing is replacing all the halogen lights that come on this thing from stock and putting some LEDs in it with last fits. You can see the license plate ones are LEDs. We got LEDs in the tail lights and the third brake light, etc. And then performance-wise, there really is nothing. This thing is dusty and dirty, but we do have a cooled air intake from K&N, and I do believe that's the 63 series. And that's really about it for right now. There's not a whole lot done to the truck, but it really makes a difference. The small mods really make a difference from turning this truck, who it used to look like this, into what it does today. So that's kind of what this channel is all about. I'm using this kind of as a channel trailer. I haven't been filming as much as I used to recently. I normally filmed and uploaded every single Wednesday at 6 p.m. I got a new job and life's been kind of crazy lately, so I haven't been able to film as much. So this is me kind of coming out saying, hey, here I am, channel trailer for all you new guys joining. I appreciate it. And I hope you guys stick with me for the remainder of this truck build. And it's gonna be pretty exciting for what we go to next after this thing is done and over with next year. So that's really all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to do something quick that I can throw up here on the channel, say, hey, I'm still here, don't leave. And for all the new guys saying, hey, what's up? I am gonna be starting to upload again more consistently, hopefully. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, join the family, join the build, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.